As you can see, this is Georgia Avenue headed in toward Olney, and the road is a bit of a mess. I'd say it's passable. Right here in this particular lane, it's now cleared down. But if you had the usual morning traffic out here, the usual morning traffic would be entirely stuck. Georgia and 108. As you can see, the snow, or more properly titled precipitation, continues. It's a mixture of rain and sleet, and on top of last night's snow, it makes the snow very heavy and very difficult to remove. This is what you might consider, in terms of clearing driveways or sidewalks, heart attack snow. This, of course, is Georgia Avenue, headed toward, down toward Silver Spring and DC. And it is pretty well cleared in terms of any deep snow, but it's got a consistent layer of icy snow on the top. We haven't tested that much for ice, but as you can see, the road is passable, but it's not a good time to be out here. And the more cars that come out, the more difficulty there could be. You can see there's some piles of snow in the road along here. So if you're driving along and not paying enough attention, you can find yourself sliding along. Metro bus just went by, so there is one running this morning at least. More deep snow here. It's really not a day for cruising along, because if you go too fast and you hit one of those patches of deep snow and panic in one way or another, you find you're in a lot of trouble. This is Georgia Avenue and the ICC. I'll take a look at that in a moment and see if there's any traffic on the ICC. Cannot see a car at all on the ICC at this point. I'll be checking to see if they have restricted traffic in that in one way or another. Take a look actually with the camera when we come back by. Heading north toward Olney now and passing over the ICC. I see one truck go by on the ICC, and there is some traffic coming from the I-270 route. Can't really get over to take a look at the ICC itself because of the snow here. Go back into the plowed areas because otherwise we might get stuck trying to go over and look at the ICC. So the ICC is open. There was a minimal amount of traffic. We're headed back toward Olney now. Now, just before 7 a.m., there's more traffic headed south. Just a few minutes earlier, but still pretty empty, especially going north. By the way, just having been passed by an SUV, a note about those four-wheel drives. They don't stop any faster than any other vehicle. They might go where others don't, but they stop with the same slide ratio on snow and ice, something to keep in mind. Fletcher's. And here we are back again at the intersection of Georgia and 108. So how bad this is or isn't depends on your perspective. For the winter of 2016, 2017, this is as bad as we've gotten for an ordinary winter, except for the fact that rain is coating the top of this snow. It's not that big a deal. So be safe, be careful, and stay home if you can. As the temperatures heat up later today, as they are forecast to do, likely melting will take care of a lot of this snow.
This is a stinging sleet right now. The wind blowing and the sleet hitting the face. It's not a nice place to be out here at all.